How to log into NewDay Amazon credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in NewDay Amazon credit login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Migration Amazon Online Account Manager. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now click on the option of Go to Pulse. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and type in the username. If you want to save your username, check in for this option, remember my username. In the case you have forgotten the username, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on next. Now in the next page, you will need to type in your password and then click on done. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into a NewDay Amazon credit card account online. This was really simple and quick process. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.